Tutorial, I will analyze some expenses using these formulas, and these are the expenses, and this is the amount. So let's start. I will just say using this formula, I will just say, for example, equals sum, okay, and I will select the amount, okay, enter. So this is sum means that it is totaling, adding all the expenses together. So that's adding all the expenses together. Average equals average. So in average, I will select all the amount and click enter. So this formula averages the all the expenses. So that's the average. If I want to count how many entries we have, and we can just click this, enter, and it says 9, and it is 9 actually. If you count all the entries, if I want to find out the maximum number in this amongst them, so I can just say max, and I will select that and enter. So it will tell me the highest number, which is 989, and that's true. 989 is the highest number. If I want to find out the minimum number, okay, I can just select min and select the all the area, enter. 15 is the lowest number. This okay. If I want to know the smallest number, I will just say small and click that formula, and the array or the thing is, I'll just select that, okay, and comma, and now I can say that I want the second smallest, not the smallest number. The smallest number is 15, which I got from min, but I want to know the second smallest. So what's larger than 15? That's the second smallest. I can just say second, enter. So it tells me second smallest number is 15. The smallest number is 15 and second smallest is 150. I can say, for example, the fifth smallest number, which is 435. That comes on the fifth because that's first. 15 is the first smallest. Second, okay, that's the third. Then there's fourth, and that's the fifth smallest. So in this thing, I can choose which number I want, right? Now in the large one, I can say equals large, and I will choose that, select the array, and comma, and then I can say the largest number. I want the third largest. So instead of K, I will write 3, enter. So it tells me the third largest is 800, right, amongst all that. Now, if I want to find the median, I can simply select there and select the range, and it says 435 is the median, okay. And if I want to transpose something, so I want to transpose this whole thing, what I'll do is I can just simply copy this, okay, exactly, and I will go to paste and then paste special transpose, right, and I can click OK, and it will transpose the whole thing. So instead of having the expenses in the column, it gives in the row, right? It changes that. Instead of having the amounts in column, it converts into rows. So I can simply transpose that altogether. Please let me know if you have any difficulties with this, or if you have any questions for me. I would love to answer. And don't forget to share this video and like this video. Thank you.